Alright. Let's get this puppy loading and going. We're back to having very expensive options pricing. Oh man. Called gross vomiting here. We're expecting a large wipe here from yesterday because they just got burned yesterday. Only problem was really bearish here, but patiently wait here. Look at the box. Box is at 690.12 to 690.61. Looking for a break and retest of that box, so even if it moves up, it's going to move up into the box. But yeah, bearish bias. So we're going to look at some puts here. The expectation is that this is going to fall pretty substantially if it does fall, because the options prices are nutty. We're going to see, right? Let's just track 687 puts. Let's just track on. Like, we knew this doesn't come back up, yeah? So let's keep tracking. So expensive for these puts. Mm. 687s are $1.30. I don't think it touched 690 yet. Mm, 10. Let's see what this 5-minute candle closes at. Pretty rad 5-minute candle if you ask me, but we're gonna look for a little bit of a wipe, just given the fact that yesterday was such a day, right? Like, we're gonna look for a little bit of clear closing wipe. Look at Mark 687 at 130 and 150 right now. We're gonna get the play back. All right, so now we're gonna look for a touch of that 690 line, which is doing right about now. Taken away, those are back to 130. So you would have lost all your premium, 140. Both sides are down 15% on options pricing. I'm just waiting for some action here, right? Whether there's entry signal or non-entry signal. 687 is back to 150. Okay, we got some more here. Still gonna stay out right now, just a little bit. We're waiting for a touch of that line, the 690 line. We're looking for either a break of that line or looking for a retest and a move down. The pre-market walk set to 690.12 to 690.61. And here it comes. All right, so. Now we look for some puts. Here we are. So it's breaking through that line. We get the indicators going back to 10s. We haven't taken a trade yet. We got no sweep. We got nothing running. We're going to reverse and look at some of these calls now. We're looking at 692s, calls, and 687 puts. We're waiting for some general direction. We knew it was going to be a full-on excursion here. They're going to wipe out both sides to begin the market off. We're not going to trade on 10. And we're seeing a break of that box, not a, like a... I mean, as expected, we're seeing a wipeout of both sides. Real no identification right now of what's happening. Okay, so reverse bullish, huh? We got mixed signals here. Personally, I trust in the sweep a little bit more. Alright, we're gonna get into some calls and see if this thing carries and reverses. I'm gonna track if it breaks through that box. Grab 3 more of these, just to see if it breaks through that box. Yeah, swap over to bearish now. So we swap back to bearish here. 25 bearish. Pre-market box is bearish. Go back to these puts now. This might be just be a sweep here. We got into puts here. I'm gonna just track this reversal. Just got 10. This thing is just being a little bit, it's just wipeout radius, guys. I'm back to really a whole lot of nothingness. I mean, really reverse in real time, huh? Pretty much even for the day. All right. Guys, this is a flippity floppity market, and it's just went up for one more swing here. We expected there to be some significant just chippity chop. I do trust the liquidity sweep a little bit more. As a confluence. All right. Close out an open of 100 or just ride it up. I mean, that's the play now. So it's holding. Open plus 100 or open plus 1,000. All right, so we got more confidence here. Might just hold it. Size up a little bit, actually. If we're gonna lower. Size up. is a white day, so we're gonna take a either pull in a K of loss or take in 2K of gain. That's what we're gonna stick at. And the 692s. Good deal. Stop this at 150. We'll take our profits of like 20 some percent. This is a very interesting day, but could rise up, but just pretty hesitant to take this. Yeah, they're gonna take like a gain of 150 bucks and call it a day. It's just pushes whatever. I'm gonna come back at it tomorrow. Yeah, really nothing here, guys. No, nothing for the challenge account today. Yeah, guys, no trade today for me. So I'm going to actually just sit out of this thing today. And that's about it. There's been ultimate chop today. Really, nothing doing here. We knew it was going to be a little bit choppy every day. Yeah, nothing going. So, see you again.